How to activate Google Lens on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you want to activate the Google Lens on your Android device, firstly tap open your Play Store. In your Play Store, tap on the search bar. Then, in the search bar, go ahead and search for Lens. Tap on the Google Lens. And if you have not installed this application, firstly make sure to install it. After the installation is complete, tap on the Open button. After that, you will see that the Google Lens has been activated. Now you can search with your camera or with an image that is available in your gallery. This can help you to translate or even help you out during your homework or any of the assignment as well. You can also access it directly from your Google browser. In order to do so, launch your Google or Google Chrome. There you will see this lens icon. All you need to do is basically click on it. After which, you will see this Google Lens layout. You can capture a photograph or you can just capture any of the assignment that you wish to find the solution, or even it will help you to translate a language. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.